Hey everybody, this is Josh with Mountain Sports, and today I'm going to be mounting some Coosa HD tip protectors on this new Liska here that a customer just bought. I don't have a stand today for my phone, so I'm going to take some snippets as we go, but I'm going to be, fortunately, right over the Liska logo is kind of the perfect placement for these, keeping it lined up with the top of the deck and not protruding below that whole line there. That'll work out nicely when you use some self-tapping screws that are left over from a Yak Attack Stealth Anchor Trolley kit. Those are kind of the perfect hardware for it, and yeah, we'll see how it goes. So we got the first screw in. Definitely start with just one hole, and then you can kind of make sure that everything else is lining up correctly. Happy with the height of that, nothing flapping or pulling up. So we'll get that other top one mounted, and we'll go from there and then back them out and get them sealed up. So looking good so far. Finish the first side. Pretty perfect. There's a little bit of a flap, like just a little bit poking out down below. Everything else is nice and snug. It's just a little big for that that section of the hull. It's a little big for it. Just hit it with a little rotary tool and clean it up real nice, and it'll be perfect. As you can see, before doing this, it's a good idea to put your fishing pole on there. Just make sure that everything's lining upright. Helped me out a bunch. Or if you're using the gear track to put a rod holder there leading to the tip protector, just make sure you use whatever you're going to do to make sure everything lines up correctly. Alright, side number 2 done. Turned out just as well. I'm really happy with how it came out. As you can see, I moved the rod over to that side as well, just to make sure that everything stayed nice and even, which I think it did. Yeah, so for 20 bucks, you can throw these tip protectors on most kayaks. Some of them it doesn't work out quite right, but yeah, it works out real nice. Good way to add tip protectors to any budget kayak. Thanks for watching our video. I hope this was helpful to some people and maybe gave them a neat idea, a way to trick out their kayak in a way that it didn't come with. And this is just one of the things we do at Mountain Sports. So the customer just bought this kayak. They paid for the part and just zipped it on for free, no extra charge. Had the hardware laying around, as I said, left over from an anchor trolley kit. And thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos from mountainsports.com.